Good morning. It's Thursday, June 6th. And this morning I want to talk about Aileen Cannon and her actions with respect to former President Donald Trump. Donald Trump appointed her to the court system, and she is extremely loyal to him. And I can categorically say from her actions in several different cases that she is prejudiced in Donald Trump's favor. She had a case where she ruled in favor of him so badly that it was overturned by a 3-judge panel, 2 of which had been appointed by Trump. So Aileen Cannon shouldn't even be anywhere near anything that's involved with Donald Trump because she's clearly prejudiced in his favor. But she's holding on to one case that's very important and has used every single delaying tactic that you can imagine to stop this case from moving forward. And now she's going to expand the hearing on Trump's request to declare a special counsel appointment invalid. So is that aimed at Jack Smith or every special counsel that Merrick Garland and any other senior official has appointed? Is this going to be a case where you can't assign a specialist to do justice? I think not. But in any event, Judge Cannon has expanded the hearing on Trump's request to declare a special counsel's appointment invalid. Special counsels have been around for years and years and years and years, and several times this issue has come up, and it has always been roundly defeated. So why is Cannon moving ahead with this thing? Because of her loyalty to Donald Trump. So Cannon is planning on holding a sprawling hearing on Donald Trump's request to declare Jack Smith's appointment as special counsel invalid. And the judge could be more than willing to allow any other trial judge to veto the special prosecutor's authority. And this planned hearing is a new and unusual twist in the federal criminal national security case against former President Trump. Cannon on Tuesday said a variety of political partisans and constitutional scholars not actually involved with the case can join in the oral arguments on June 21st. So Cannon has opened this door to allow a lot of other people to dump crap into the files here. Is that what judges do? They bring in strangers to add their opinions? That's not what's supposed to be happening. Somebody has to put the hammer down on Judge Cannon. I don't know who her boss is, but he should certainly, or she should certainly be bringing this young lady into his office and reading her the riot act, because she's not acting as an impartial judge. She's acting at what she is, a lackey for ex-President Trump. This is not the way the justice system is supposed to work in this country. Now, there have been similar challenges from Trump and other high-level targets about special counsel probes in the past. And every time an attack on these special counsels came to be, they flopped from coast to coast. Hunter Biden's attorney didn't get anywhere with the judges in Los Angeles and Delaware. Paul Manafort's arguments fell flat when the former Trump campaign chairman challenged the special counsel Robert Mueller's authority. And Andrew Miller, an associate of Roger Stone, also lost his challenge to Mueller's authority. So these authorities, these special counsel authorities, have been challenged in the past, and they failed every single time. So it's clear to everybody right now what Cannon is trying to do, and in her prior efforts, her fundamentally erroneous approach cast a terrible shadow over the proceedings. And her handling the case well outside the boundaries. And she was actually criticized by the Court of Appeals. Now, federal law has a way to deal with these things, because there's a section that says a judge shall disqualify himself or herself in any proceeding in which his or her impartiality might reasonably be questioned. And there is no question in anybody's mind that Cannon's situation right now clearly fits that test. And she is obligated to recuse herself in Trump's case. But she's not doing that. She hasn't said anything like that. But recusal is necessary here to avoid serious concerns about Cannon's impartiality in the public eye. And if the public hasn't seen her impartiality, they are blind. Now, this judicial recusal rule is about proving to the public that the judicial system runs on the up and up. This is not about actual bias. It's about the vision that's being portrayed to the public. The Supreme Court has explained that it simply asks an objective observer in the public if they would have questioned the judge's impartiality. So if it looks like you are not impartial, if you are showing the slightest partiality, then you really must recuse yourself. And Cannon fits that mold perfectly. Every action that she has taken has proven to the outside world that she is not impartial. So Cannon should be recusing herself, getting out from under this mess, instead of creating this enormous package of crap. So I'll leave you with that this morning. A judge that shouldn't be a judge. A lackey. Thank you very much. Bye.